This project is automatic plant irrigation using Zigbee. Here hardware connections are Arduino on its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Here we have two Zigbees. Transmitter is connected to Arduino UART port and the receiver is connected to PC. LM35 temperature sensor and soil moisture sensor connected to Arduino analog and digital pins respectively. Here AC pump and DC fan control through relays which is connected to Arduino digital pins. We can see all the sensors data in serial software. Here we are using Arduino IDE serial software. Now open it. Here we have to open the tools, select the port and select the serial port. Again we have to open the tools, select the serial monitor. We can see monitor plant irrigation parameters from PC. Here based on moisture condition, pump will be on. It is in now dry condition. Now power on this. If temperature more than 44 degrees, then fan will be on.